Miranda here with another 360 hike here in Western North Carolina. Today I'm at Tom's Creek Falls. Just note that the parking here is pretty limited. And here are a few quick tips. This video was filmed in 5.6K resolution, so you may need to adjust your streaming settings on YouTube, especially if the video quality looks a little distorted or pixelated. And remember, you can explore the screen in all directions on your smartphone, computer, or tablet. So let's start exploring. Tom's Creek Falls is located between Marion and Little Switzerland in western North Carolina. This is relatively close to Linville Caverns and Linville Falls. The trailhead is located pretty close to US Highway 221. The trail is an easy 1 mile round trip hike, and it's located in the Pisgah National Forest. You'll hike along a mostly flat trail along the creek, and then you'll gradually climb up a few switchbacks to reach the falls. It's pretty easy to access, and there's a new observation deck. So this waterfall is great for children or adults that can't walk or hike long distances. It's also relatively easy to access in the winter. When you're almost at the falls, there'll be a fork in the trail. To the left, you can go to the observation deck to view the falls. Remember, you can explore this view in all directions. And then if you want to take the stairs at the right of that fork, it will take you to the bottom of the falls. In this area, you may notice some sparkling rocks, and this is caused by mica. It used to be mined in this area as mica is used as an electrical insulator, and it's actually still mined just north of here in Micaville. And when the water level is low, you can get a little bit closer to the falls. And this trail is out and back, so you'll follow the same trail back to your car in the parking area. Again, my name is Miranda. Thanks so much for joining me on another 360 hike in Western North Carolina. Please subscribe to my channel for more waterfalls, hikes, and trails in Western North Carolina, as well as yoga and meditation videos. Hope to see you next time. Namaste, and have a great day.